Hey, my name is Nelson Manuel. I'm here again to visit Dr. Contessa to try a new treatment. I came from San Francisco, California. Since 2015, andito na ako para bumisita kay Dr. Contessa para ma-maintain ko yung aking skin. Especially, nag-work ako sa hotel industry, facing the customer service. Kaya gusto kong ma-rejuvenate yung aking skin to look younger, 10 years younger actually. Kaya kayong mga kababayan ko from around the world or sa mga kababayan ko dito sa Philippines, try nyo yung CSA Derma Center dito sa Dau and para matry nyo yung kanyang mga bagong treatment, especially yung mga staff niya dito, so friendly and attentive. At saka gusto kong i-try yung bagong machine ni Doc Contessa.
Our 50-year-old male client today has been with us since 2015, and of course for men it is also important to have proper skincare and to maintain their younger looks. Okay, it is different between male and female rejuvenation, so my approach for Sir today is more of giving him a masculinized look in a way to highlight the male features that will make him more attractive and younger looking. So we did combination treatments, like for example some of the wrinkle treatment. We make use of some of our injectables to eradicate our lines, wrinkles, and also to bring out more the features of men. Of course, we use also some fillers. And then, for now, we'll be combining with a machine, a laser machine, to target the texture of the skin. So it's more of a so-called skin resurfacing, because as time passes by, we notice that the aging of the skin will reveal this, for example, age spots, or will make the pores wider, or some of the marks from, for example, the others from acne, or the others from some scars from some skin lesions. We can also treat that. And we want the skin surface to become smoother or even. We want the color to be balanced. We want it to be in a way, the skin is tighter, firmer, and there's these radiance. There is this so-called skin glow, a natural skin glow. So that is our goal for Mr. Nelson today. Good day, everyone. Welcome to the CSA Certified Skin Authority. I'm Dr. Contessa, your certified aesthetic physician here at the CSA Medical Aesthetics. So today we have with us Mr. Nelson to undergo a non-surgical procedure. But before we proceed to that, let's look at the full face and make an assessment. Okay, So, sa ating upper third, usually we check on the forehead area for presence of lines, wrinkles, and then sides of the eyes, we check kung merong crow's feet or yung dito sa infraorbital, kung meron pong hollowness or is it sunken or kung merong yung eye bags. Okay, for Sir Nelson, in the past kasi, we did some procedures na mga non-surgical na po, eradicating lines and wrinkles. How young are you, sir, again?
It's over 50 na, Doc.
Ayun.
Kaya mo
So,
sabihin eh.
pero he doesn't look like 50-year-old. He looks younger. Kasi looking at his forehead and around the eye area, okay, nanonotice natin na maganda yung texture ng skin. Actually, ito nga pong kanyang supraorbital ridge. Pag sa lalaki kasi, mas prominent po yung supraorbital ridge compared sa mga babae. Sa aming babae, we wanted yung parang naka-arch yung eyebrow and then mas banat na banat. So, sa men, maganda yung shape ng forehead and then medyo yung eyebrow, ganito po, kagaya ng kay Sir Nelson, hindi po yung parang mataas na eyebrow. Tama lang po. Mas lower ang eyebrow pag sa kalalakihan. And medyo prominent dito. And magandang-maganda po. Okay siya. Happy po ba kayo, sir, dun sa naging treatment before?
Yes, doktora. Kaya nga po, balik-balik ako dito since 2015. So, tuwing nagbabalik-bayan ako, binibisita kita para matry yung mga bago mong treatment. Lalo na yung bago mo ngayon gusto kong
right, true. Thank you, sir. Kasi we love it also dahil yung result po sa inyo, napaka-natural din. Okay, tama lang po. Hindi naman binabago yung itsura natin. So, tsaka yung mga procedures natin, importante, safe na safe din po. Okay? And of course, sa doctor nagpupunta si Sir Nelson, kailangan talaga na somebody who is really equipped to do this. And then, when we proceed dun sa middle face part na po ni Sir, okay? Kasi, as time passes by, medyo nanonotice natin, some people have this sagginess na hair. May nanonotice ka rin, Sir Nelson, dito? Yeah. Yung dito sa area nito, yung tinatawag naming mid-cheek groove, for men, nagsisimula na ring maging hollow dito. So, yan, part na po, yung pagsag, pag-droopy, nitong mid-face area. So, with the treatment right now, we'll be targeting din po itong problem na ito, yung medyo nagsasag na siya. Kasi the procedure also induces collagen stimulation. And then, when we go down po sa lower part, yan, we wanted to also do a lifting, tightening, firming para hindi nagja-jowl or nagsasag also. So, sa inyo, we wanted to prevent yung sagginess. And at the same time, looking at the texture, mapapansin natin, Sir Nelson, di ba nakikita mo rin, merong mga uneven na mga discolorations sa skin, right?
Yes.
So, noticeable. And si Sir kasi, looking at his skin, actually, I noticed mga tiny blood vessels or yung mga tinatawag naming telangiectasias. So, si Sir kasi actually mabilis siyang mag-red. Parang may flushed skin, right?
Yes,
opo. Siguro pagka-expose under the sun or extremes of emotions, parang mabilis kang mag-reddish, mag-blush. No po? Ayun. So, careful tayo din sa treatment for patients na ganito rin po. Yung type of skin nila, mabilis ding nag-turn ng red. So, kailangan aware tayo dyan. And then, we wanted to also yung parang mga open pores. Gusto rin ni Sir na somehow ma-minimize po yung mga visible pores na, Sir. So, parang yung skin natin, mas smoother, finer, parang walang ka-pores. At saka even yung texture and color. And then, some other na may mga, for example, aside from pigmentation, yung iba nga may mga marks, may iba parang makikita kang pitted scars. May nanonotice din po kayo na, Sir, yung parang mga dots.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
we can also treat that. Okay, so we'll be working on the mid face to the lower face. And today, we will be using our Infini from Lutronics. Okay, so our procedure again, non-surgical, or rather, meron kasing microneedling to. I cannot say na non-invasive talaga, pero super minimally invasive ng konti lang po. We'll be using our Lutronic Infini, so we will show you the actual procedure when CSA returns. So the machine that we will be using for Mr. Nelson is a so-called RF micro needling machine. Now, it has several indications. The indication that we will use right now is for skin rejuvenation, anti-aging, as well as to treat some of marks that we find in our face, in our skin. And the machine is a so-called Infini machine, okay? So this machine, of course, it's from abroad. It's not a local machine. And we have it right now here at the CSA. So we'll be doing this kind of treatment for our male client for the purpose of skin resurfacing, skin rejuvenation, anti-aging, treatment of marks or scars, and hopefully we'll be able to reveal the best result for Mr. Nelson today. And we're back, mga ka-CSA. So we're starting with our Infini procedure for Mr. Nelson. I have here the microneedle tip that we use for our Infini machine. So this is an individualized type of tip. So for Sir Nelson lang po ito. And then the way we use this one, so we open it. Okay, it has about 49 microneedles here. And then we need to attach this here. Okay, so and then we just need to lock it like that. So we are ready to start. It's just a push button procedure. Okay, I have here this screen and we are in the automatic mode. So I'll be working on the lower face and then mid face area. So standby lang po. And actually the needle has different kinds of depth. So we're starting with 1.5 depth. Ibig sabihin lang po nun, sir, yung ating needles, merong mga layers that it can reach. So it starts like from 0.5 to about 3.5. Ganun lang po siya. And then I'll start working on sa ating chin region. Okay po. And then we just press on this one. Yan, okay lang po. Medyo may gulat effect lang. Tolerable naman po, right? Yan. So, usually ang mga patients ko rin, whenever they hear the sound, parang, yan, nagugulat lang po. Yan. Okay lang po. Medyo may konting, ano lang po, discomfort. Then, we can also combine with something cold para nadideviate yung sensation. Okay. I can pinch the skin like this. Okay. So, with this one, we can adjust yung tip ng ating needle. Okay, yan. Okay lang po, no, sir? Kaya naman po. Yan. Yan. Medyo may area lang po na sensitive. Okay. We can do several shots in one area. Okay. Yan. Then we can adjust the tip. We can adjust the intensity. So, the good thing also with this machine, you can also treat some of the fine lines na nakikita natin sa sides ng eyes or even below the eye area. So, noticeable kay Sir Nelson, meron dito sa below eye. Yan, medyo may konting gulat lang po. Pero okay lang po, sir, no? Yeah, okay lang. Yan, okay. So, I can actually see yung parang grids or marks from the tip, needle tip. So, that's expected. Okay? Then, I'll just proceed dito sa may side na lang po ng face. So, this is a first pass treatment. Yan. It's okay lang po na parang medyo napapa-twitch lang. That's fine. Yan. Okay. So, we can do another pass. Targeting itong jowls. So, yan. Medyo nasasanay-sanay na si sir dun sa sound. So, this is in the skin layer, a depth of 1.5. And because Sir Nelson easily turns red with any treatment, that is expected. Okay, so we're almost done in our second pass. We can do 2 to 3 passes. For Sir Nelson, we can do 2 passes sa kanya. Actually, may flight pa po si Sir. So, this one, redness right now, and then after this we'll do the highlight and mabilis din mawala po yung redness. Usually, the next day, clear na siya. Okay, we can now proceed to the other side. So, I've done right area. Okay, noticeable yung redness and noticeable yung mga grid marks from the machine. Now, I can proceed dun sa other side. Turn lang po towards this area. Okay. So, some ano lang po, sensation na parang nagugulat lang si Sir Nelson, but it's tolerable. Kaya naman po, no, sir?
Okay naman.
Ano po yung sensation? Parang liit-liit na tusok-tusok?
Yeah, ganun daw ang feeling na parang tinutusok ng karayan.
Yes. Actually, it wants to target yung dermis layer. You wanted to tap yung layer na nag-create ng mga collagen fibers and elastin. Meron siyang mga fibroblast cells that will be stimulated to regenerate mga bagong fibers. And that will help in skin firming and skin tightening, and also to make the pores reduce or smaller. Yan. So, this is, I think, a procedure that will be very beneficial for Sir Nelson in order for him to sustain or maintain a younger looking face, younger skin, and at the same time, it's working from within na rin. So, yung layer na tina-target natin, again, we wanted to reach dun sa depth, the dermis depth. Okay. Hindi lang siya sa superficial area. Okay. So, now, we've done actually almost like multiple passes na. And as you can see, redness lang. And after this procedure, we will do Healite. We have another machine that will help in the faster clearance of the redness. Yan. Kamusta, sir? Okay lang?
Okay lang po, Doc.
Yan. So, the good thing, we also have this cryotherapy machine para po na-cool down. Or rather, yung lamig na yan, parang nadadivert yung attention mo dun sa sensation. So far, so good? Okay lang. So, we're done actually. And right now, we'll be proceeding to the Healite treatment sa pagbabalik ng CSA Certified Skin Authority. And we're back, mga ka-CSA. So, we have done our Infini procedure for Mr. Nelson. And now, we're proceeding to the so-called Healite treatment. Okay, this is kind of a machine that will give a faster healing for, like, for example, we did some laser procedures, or like even like chemical peeling, or any other type of non-surgical invasive procedures. We can use our Healite for the faster recovery of our skin. Because after Infini, we noticed that the skin turned red, or should I say erythematous, or there's flushing. So this one will help in the faster reduction of the redness. Especially si Sir Nelson will have a flight few days from now. So kailangan wala na po yung redness. As well as yung mga na-target ng ating microneedles. Of course, a while ago we noticed parang merong mga tiny puncture. Then we wanted that to go away faster. Okay. So, it's very good, it's very nice. So, we just switch it on. It's a push button type of machine. Again, meron siyang screen, and we can have it like 10-minute to 15-minute treatment. So, a while ago, we took a picture showing yung redness sa face ni Sir Nelson. Then, after our Healite, we'll take another photo to compare. So, we're done with the highlight. We left it for about 15 minutes. Okay, Sir Nelson, kamusta naman po ang experience?
Okay lang po, Doc. Medyo nawala na yung kanina parang may tumutusok na mga maliliit na karayom.
Yes.
Pero ngayon, pagkatapos ng highlight, na parang pakiramdam na press ng konti yung aking face. Yeah.
Na-relieve dun sa sensation ng some discomfort from the Infinity a while ago. And nanonotice ko na po, there's already a reduction in the redness. And mabilis lang po yan, maya para clear pa rin, pa-fade away pa rin yung redness. And then the next day, wala na yan. Okay. So, may tanong ka ba, Sir Nelson?
Yes, Doc, pwede bang ugasan yung face ko? Pwede bang sabunin? Or pwede bang kumain ng mga seafoods, mga ganyan?
Yan. So, we've done already facial kanina. Nag-cleansing facial tayo. So, the next day na lang po natin i-wash yung ating face. Okay? And then, the next day, we tell our patients to wash with cold water. Wag muna yung warm water. And then in terms of yung food, avoid muna natin yung mga allergogenic diet po, yung mga malalansa.
Okay.
Yan, para po wala tayong pangangati dyan kasi you have to avoid touching the face or scratching the face. Okay? So ano pa? Wala na?
Pwede ba akong uminom ng mga antibiotic o ganyan sa mga gamot?
Yes. This treatment naman po, since it's not that invasive, no need to take any oral antibiotics po. Okay. So, it's just a machine procedure. Okay, mga energy-based devices lang to. So, safe naman. Wala naman tayong kailangan mga i-take ng mga kung ano-anong gamot po. And also, we'll be giving you mga post-skincare instructions after this. So, we'll be giving you some advices po. Yan. Maraming salamat, Sir Nelson.
Maraming salamat, Doc, sa treatment mo. Na-try ko yung bago mong machine.
Right. Yes po.
I love it.
Yeah. Any message sa ating mga televiewers?
Okay, kayong mga nasa abroad, especially sa US, yung mga kababayan ko dyan, pag nagbalik-bayan kayo, try nyo dito sa CSA, dito sa Dao, sa malapit sa Pure Gold. Dito lang, bisitahin nyo si Doc Contessa para matry nyo yung mga bago niyang treatment, yung kanyang mga machines.
Yeah.
Yes, marami siyang mga bago ngayon.
And is it okay with you, Sir Nelson? Baka yung iba nating televiewers nais kang makontak or meron silang gustong itanong sa'yo tungkol dun sa experience mo. Pwede ka ba nilang matanungan?
Yes, just message me sa aking Facebook account o Messenger.
Yes.
Nelson Manuel, nandun lang ako palagi. Yes, lagi ako nasa social media. Just follow me. O kaya sa Instagram.
Instagram also. And pwede nyo siyang bisitahin sa San Francisco.
Yes, pwede kayong magtanong sa mga nagawa ni Doc sa akin.
Right.
Since 2015 hanggang ngayon.
Yes, thank you.
Look younger, like 10 years younger.
Right. Yes. Kasi merong mga televiewers na curious. Ano ba yung mga nararamdaman during the procedure, kung safe ba, hindi ba nakakatakot. Yan. So, ayan po si Sir Nelson to testify to you or share with you kung ano po yung mga naging experiences niya. At syempre kung naging effective ba, right? Yun ang importante.
Very effective. Kita niyo naman ng mga result.
Yan po. Thank you, Sir Nelson.
Thank you po, Dr. Contessa.
Yes.
Sa mga staff mo na napaka-contribute.
Right. Yeah. Okay. So, as a review, again, we did yung so-called Infinity procedure. It's a type of a microneedle fractional radiofrequency treatment po. Yun yung, meron siyang mga microneedles. Okay? Tapos, meron lang ini-emit na RF energy doon sa inner layer, sa target layer, which is our dermis, para po mag-regenerate, mag-remodel, mag-form ng bagong mga elastin and collagen for further rejuvenation. For the treatment of Sir Nelson, we were doing skin rejuvenation. Of course, yung may mga concerns dyan ng mga lines, wrinkles, or laxity ng skin. So, ito pampabata. Ayan. Pang-tighter skin, firmer skin, kasi nga yung mga collagen na build up ulit. Right? And aside from that, pwede rin po ito sa mga acne scars, and pwede rin po dun sa mga may concerns like stretch marks, or any types of scarring sa mukha or sa katawan. So, yung mga atrophic scars, pwede po ito. And coming soon po, for hyperhidrosis. Yun po yung tinatawag na excessive sweating. So, marami pa rin pong indications ang Infini Laser Machine. Okay, thank you po sa inyong panonood. Kung meron po kayong katanungan, you may email us at csaskinclinic@yahoo.com. Our contact numbers here po sa aming clinic sa Dao Pure Gold, kasi nasabi na po yung clinic namin. Mga number 045-331-1117 or 0933-860-9193 or 0917-504-4268. Alam na alam ni Sir Nelson yung address natin, kasi ang daming nagtatanong saan po ba yung clinic ninyo. Pure Gold Dao, Mabalacat, Pampanga.
Yes.
Okay, kasi yung iba yata, ibang napupuntahan po. Okay. And then, ang aming mga videos po nakalagay sa YouTube. Only type Contessa Salvador. And please do not forget to click like and subscribe as well. I have my Instagram, doc_Contessa, and my own FB, Contessa Salvador. Or ang aming FB page, CSA Derm Centre. Kasi yung mga iba dyan, Sir Nelson, merong mga tanong kung magkano daw yung mga treatments. So, you may send us your messages po. Okay, again, thank you very much. God bless you all. When it comes to natural beauty, you can trust the CSA Certified Skin Authority.